Imagine stepping into a factory, but not just any factory. A symphony of organized noise, robots moving in harmony, sparks flying, as if you've stepped into a sci-fi movie. Welcome to the heart of China. Here, inside BYD's mega factory, electric cars are born, machines that have reshaped the global auto industry and forever changed the game. BYD is no ordinary company. It's a Chinese legend, born from batteries and transformed into one of the world's EV giants. In the city of Changsha lies one of its largest factories, spanning the area of dozens of football fields. Here, more than 80% of the work is driven by artificial intelligence and green technology. Everything starts from scratch, from raw aluminum and steel sheets to micron-level precision in frame shaping, all in perfect sync between man and machine. Then we reach the beating heart, the battery and the motor. And here lies BYD's real genius. They don't import batteries. They make them entirely in-house. The Blade battery, explosion-proof, shock-resistant, heat-tolerant, tested under the harshest conditions, engineered for the future. Doors, seats, glass panels installed, a nano-coating finish. Then come the smart systems, navigation, sensors, and AI assistance. This is no longer just a vehicle. It's a moving brain on four wheels. Before reaching you, each car faces rigorous trials, simulated earthquakes, twisting tracks, every road condition imaginable. Only when it passes does it head out to the global stage. From raw metal to a masterpiece that races into tomorrow. BYD was founded in 1995 in Xi'an by a chemist named Wang Chuanfu. They started with rechargeable batteries, then took a bold leap, acquiring a small car company. But the vision was bigger. Electric vehicles built from the ground up. Despite doubts and mockery, BYD launched the world's first mass-produced plug-in hybrid. By 2023, the company had sold over 3 million vehicles, employed more than 900,000 people, and generated over 100 billion yuan in revenue. In 2024, BYD entered the Fortune Global 500 and expanded into Vietnam, Thailand, Brazil, even the US and Europe. BYD isn't just building cars, they're building a cleaner future. From batteries to solar panels, electric buses to smart rail transit. A symbol of sustainable innovation, a force shaping the world's next chapter. This isn't just a factory tour, it's a message. The future waits for no one, and those who master manufacturing, master control. Now it's your turn. Do you believe the future of cars lies in China, or is the race still wide open? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, because our next journey will be even more thrilling than you imagine.